out, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you see my face for the first time, hello babe, hello my love. My name is Yolanda Mqala. Please do check me out on all my social media platforms. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. And guys, I'm back with another plug baby. Today is a Saturday. It's the 2nd of April. It's the Easter weekend. And I thought, let me just come here and quickly make this intro because I am going out. I'm going out with my cousin Apiwe. We are off to Greenpoint. So there's this place that I found on Wiki Deals, guys. If you go to Google and you search Wiki Deals Cape Town, if you're in Cape Town, then you will see the website, and then you check the deals. You will see different deals on that website. It's a 2-course meal. It's gonna be main meal and dessert for $325 for 2 people. Imagine. So when I saw the deal, I was like, Sana, we are taking this. And I forwarded the deal to Apiwe, and then she was like, I'm in, baby, let's go. Yeah, so see at Greenpoint, guys. I'll take you guys with me. We're trying it out. We've never been there. We just saw the deal on Wiki Deal, so we just decided, must see here and see how it goes. But I checked it on Google and it looks beautiful. You know, they have a pool. The place is inside a hotel, so looks very nice. So we just want to see, because the deal looked too good to be true. I mean, $325 a 2-course meal for 2 people. I'd expect that to be for 1 person, but if but 2 people, so let's go and see. So yeah guys, that's what's happening today. I just did my makeup. I'm gonna do my lashes now. I thought, let me just quickly come and do the intro, because I know if I start with my lashes, Sana, I'm gonna take forever because I struggle in that department. I'm still learning. So I knew I might end up late. The time now is, what time is it? I think it's around 10:30. I'm early. We're meeting at 2 o'clock. Our booking is for 2 o'clock. So I'm very early. I woke up early because I knew that I want to do lashes today, and it takes me a long time to do lashes. So I just thought, let me do the intro first and then do my lashes. And then, yeah guys, I think we will speak when I get there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Let's do a quick outfit of the day. So I'm wearing these pants from Zara. The top is from H&M. The shoes are from Sissy Boy. The bag is from Zara as well. This belt is from The Fix. And my accessories are from Lovisa. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. Ice cream. Yeah, I think I'll give them a 4 because the portion was very big and I really enjoyed the salad. So, and I mean for the price, I think it's very reasonable. So, yeah.
The following day.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today is a Monday. It's family day, guys. I just thought let me quickly stop here to update you guys. I am off to Cavendish Square. I'm going to Steve Madden. There's a bag that I saw online from Steve Madden, so I just want to check it out quickly and then buy that bag because I really want it. It's so stunning. So yeah, I'm gonna check it at Cavendish Square, Steve Madden, and then see what we can do. So yeah guys, let's go.
eternity later.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no. That car, do it right now. But you do it right now. Do that right now. Let's do the side. How we could do this right now. Smooth as right now. Smooth your high. Take you right now. Turn the lights down. I think it's right now. Be quiet now. I could love you right now. Touch you right now. Where you get right now. It's right now. Just apply your makeup and go back to back. Gotta have come on. I'm back to back. Let's wake up. Ain't got love like this. I'm a bitch later. You stop fucking with the bitch. Still some later.
Hi besties, welcome back to another day of this vlog. So today is a Sunday, it's the 7th of April. I just got back from church, guys, and I want to quickly unbox the stuff that I got. As you guys saw that I went for shopping. So first thing, so let's see. I went to get plates, guys. I went to get plates because Sana, I saw these plates kukanisa and I was like, I want these. They look so nice. This is the plate. So it was 69 rands, 69.99. How stunning is this? How gorgeous is this, guys? These are so nice. So I got 4 of these plates. Yeah, got 4 of them. I know some people like buying things in a set of 6, but for Nashem, like it's like a set of 4. I always go for a set of 4. So yeah, guys, it was 69.99 each. From Mr. Price Home, I got this champagne stopper. A friend of mine told me about this, so I went to Mr. Price Home, got it as well. So it was 69.99 as also 70 rands for this. I haven't tried it, so excited to try this out. And then I went to Sheet Street. I don't have nice bowls. I do have bowls, but like I have white ones. So guys, I got these cute bowls. Sana, what do you even mean? What do you even mean? How stunning. I think it's similar to the plates. The make is similar to the plates. So the bowls were 29 rands. The bowls were 30 rands, guys. Unbelievable, right? 30 rands. And again, I bought 4 of them because I believe in buying a set of 4. So yeah, bought a set of 4. These are so gorgeous. I love them so much. And then I went to Tafelberg and I got this, guys. This is a pizza board. Pizza board. How cute is this? I love this so much. So the pizza board was $1.99. Yeah, that's the price. And then, guys, I'm so excited about this one. My friend has launched a business, Ukanyisa. So, boom, 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 boom. Boo, 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 boo. Hey, hey. Yo, guys. That's the name of the business. It's Castle Culture. Oh, I'm so excited for my friend, guys. She launched last week. So you guys can check her Instagram page. I'll insert it here. The business name is called Castle Culture. So yeah, I'll insert the picture here. Guys, this lady worked. She worked, hey? Sure. Okay, I'll start with my absolute fave, the diffuser, and honey, what do you even mean? Yo, guys, look at that. Look at that. I'm so excited. My place is gonna smell very nice. And then it's the diffuser, and then I bought the candle as well. Guys, I can smell it already. Like, ooh. The candle is a Whiffs of God. She's got another one as well, but I chose this one because obviously it's black and white, so it matches with the diffuser. So yeah, love it so much. And then that's the business card, guys. That's the business card. That's a business card, but I'll still insert the picture here. And then I have this as well. The candle was 180, and then the diffuser was 220. So I paid 400 rands in total for both of them. I mean, very affordable for packaging. A scent, I mean, it's top notch. And then, guys, I went to Pep Home. Okay, first of all, I was on TikTok. I was browsing on TikTok, and then I saw this video from this other lady. Ati, she bought these decor books from Pep, and I was like, oh, Pep sells decor books since when? And then I was like, I'm not too sure, let me search it. So I searched it online and I saw the books. I was like, what? And I just went crazy. I think you guys might have seen the short that I posted. And guys, this is a real plug. Okay, the price, believe it or not, only 29 rands. Only 29 rands, guys. This one is written New York, and then Nalapa. That's how it looks here. And then second one says fashion and style. And then up it's written fashion, also $29.99. And then, okay, no, this is another New York. And then there's this one. This one says Cape Town. I hope you guys can see these, hey? I hope you can see them clearly. And then that's how it looks here. 29 rands 99, guys. So I got 4 of them. got all 4 of them. Because you guys know determined is in 4s. So yeah, let me open one so that you guys can see how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. And then guys, we saved the best for last. So background story, I went to Steve Madden the other day and then I couldn't find the bag that I wanted, so I had to screenshot the picture and then I showed it to the lady that was helping me and she said they don't have it at the store. So I asked her to check for Canal Walk and then there was nothing at Canal Walk as well, so she told me that it's only available online. So I had to order it online because they didn't have it. So it took about a day to arrive. Hey, hey. Still made it, guys. It came in another plastic bag, but because I've already opened it, so this is the bag. This is the bag. And boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo. Guys. 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 What do you even mean? Guys, this is the bag. This is the bag. This is the bag. The bag was 1,300 rands. I'll insert the price here. And what do you even mean? What do you even mean, guys? Yo. So there's this thing that says Steve Madden. Honey. What? What? Guys. Guys. Man. I am so excited about this one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Let me remove this. And then it has this thing that says Steve Madden as well, SM thingy. And then, guys, it is so cute. It is so cute. Oh, I forgot this one here. Here at the back it says Steve Madden. It's a very small bag, I must say. Very small. I think it will only fit the card holder and my phone. Yeah. Just remove these. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. It's not that big. And then obviously it has this zip here. And yeah, that's how it looks. And then, so it's basically 3 compartments. So yeah. Sure, guys, look here as well. Say Steve Madden here as well. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I think I will see you guys on my next one. Let's close it off here because I'm editing this vlog and then I'm planning to start a new one. Thank you guys for watching till this far. If you enjoyed my video, please do leave me a heart on the comment section And yeah guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.